Hi guys, welcome back to PowerPoint Glamour. So first of all, let me thank all the subscribers for helping me cross the 10,000 mark. Thank you so much for your love and support. So today I'm not going to do any tutorial or any feature of video as such. Today I'm going to do a giveaway. So we have a slide that I've prepared for SWOT templates. One of the subscriber wanted more of SWOT templates, so I thought let me do a giveaway on the different templates for SWOT. So here I am. This presentation, as you can see, has about 15 or 14, precisely 14 templates of SWOT. So this is one, this is the second one. This is the third. This is the fourth one. The fifth. The sixth. Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, and the last one. So the last one is a little different. So when you talk about strength, the slide appears. Notice the color in the background as well, and the magnifying glass. When you click next, it goes to the next slide, which is showcasing the weakness slide. The color changes as well. Then the opportunity and threat. So that's it, guys. So all these templates are available for free for you to download. You can find the download link in the description. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you need any other videos or any other topic or any templates. So thanks for watching. You have a good day. Bye bye.